I work for Dr. Reddy's Labs and I manage enterprise analytics there. So, yeah, that is pretty much about me.
So, how was your experience with this workshop today?
It was definitely far better than what I had envisioned and come to this workshop. It is, as you said, it is not a workshop, it's more about experience. So experiencing different things and trying out different things by yourself quickly and to understand and open up. That's the word that I can come up with when you say experience. I've definitely opened up to new things. Yeah.
So, if you have to express just in one word, how was the experience? What would that be?
If not, it's not too much. It's like awakening.
Awakening.
Close to that. Yeah.
Okay. And one thing which, or maybe things which you can suggest to make this program better, in terms of how you think this program can be modified or changed or to enhance it and make it even better.
Better. Okay, so I'm just thinking. Better as in, I think, probably it should have been a 2-day thing.
Okay, longer program.
Yeah, longer program. I think that would definitely be more, because of the same team, we will be able to coordinate more. It just finished so fast according to me. Yeah. It just started and then we are back.
So if we want to make it like a longer program, which part or which elements do you think can be further included or enhanced or can be for a longer duration?
I think it should be more of the exercises that we are doing, that practical things like building a bridge or come up with an idea and disclose how you want to do it, design and pitch what you want to do. That kind of practical exercises, having it more length would definitely be better.
Okay, that can be like having more duration.
More duration and having it more of them to complete picture, because there's some 8 processes involved and all that we got to know. But we will probably touch the first one or tip of the first one. So to complete that thing would be definitely better.
Okay. So, would you recommend this workshop to your friends, colleagues, and what would be the reason which you feel is like the real value which you can also derive from it?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend to people who are driven by ideas and who wanted to do something with their professional or personal life. Not to everybody, to be very honest. And the reason is actually the value it is providing is, as I said, right, to give that, open up their minds to provide the number of possibilities that are available right now and what you can do, how you can do, and how quickly you can do. All these 3 things have opened up to me. So, for the same reasons, I would do it for my friends.
Okay, so one thing which you enjoyed the most during this workshop?
I think the last piece of it, going to actual targeted customer segments and talking to them and getting their idea of mine validated is pretty exciting for me.
Okay. So about our trainer, if you have to describe him in one word or few words, how would you describe our trainer?
Definitely driven, very driven guy towards his idea, and the value he's providing is amazing on this workshop.
Okay. So based on whatever you got your value through this workshop, what would be the major takeaways for you from this workshop which you can implement maybe immediately or in the near future? So what would those takeaways be?
Sure. So there are 2 aspects to it which I wanted to do, and I was trying to sort them out as I was talking to after the workshop. One is on the professional end, what I can do, how I can innovate on my professional end, and the second thing is that I have my idea on the back of my mind from long time, which I was having some trouble to pursue. I think I'll at least pursue it a little longer now. These 2 things I'll definitely.
And what has actually changed prior to this workshop, whatever you had the idea about innovation, and post this workshop? So what is that major change which you feel you experienced through this workshop?
Change that I see in myself is that
and may not be with yourself, but with your vision of innovation or your idea of innovation. How
Yeah.
has that shifted with prior to
Correct,
till now?
correct. Innovation was something, not for everybody kind of experience was what my initial idea was. I had this idea, as I was talking about earlier, on my personal end, which I wanted to try out. And for various reasons like mental blockers or whatever you want to call it, I just holded on to that. And the other aspect is like professional side, what are the bottlenecks of innovation? Why can't we discuss that and all that? That inhibitions I think are pretty much changed, which was there before and which are there now. Major change was around what I thought about innovation on my personal idea and on my professional side, which I transformed.
Which element of the workshop actually made this change, which you think occurred within your view of innovations? Which element, if you can describe, little?
Yeah, so exactly there is one video which is actually making a bulb out of fluorine water or something, which is actually, it was like opening up things. And you can do so much with so little, and it's actually about creating value than anything else. That I think is like the thing that's stuck in my mind. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So it was really good having you with the workshop and spending time with us. I hope it was real value to you.
Definitely.
And we will have maybe a continued relationship and see how this workshop can help. So thank you for your time, and
Thanks. Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, bye.